Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about when you can buy Bitcoins with Newton. I know that there are a lot of people out there who are interested in buying Bitcoin, but they're not sure when they can do it. So, I'm going to break down the process for you and show you exactly when you can start buying Bitcoin with Newton. What is Newton? Before we get into the details of when you can buy Bitcoin with Newton, let's take a quick look at what Newton is. Newton is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy and sell a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. It's a safe and secure platform that's easy to use, making it a great choice for beginners. How to sign up for Newton? The first step to buying Bitcoin with Newton is to sign up for an account. This is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Once you've signed up for an account, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a security measure that helps to protect your account. Once you've verified your identity, you're ready to start buying Bitcoin. When can you buy Bitcoin with Newton? Now that we know how to sign up for Newton, let's talk about when you can buy Bitcoin. There are two main factors that determine when you can buy Bitcoin with Newton. Your location. Newton is available in a number of countries around the world. However, not all countries are supported. You can check the list of supported countries on Newton's website. Your verification status. Once you've signed up for an account, you'll need to verify your identity. This process can take up to 24 hours. Once your identity has been verified, you'll be able to buy Bitcoin. How to buy Bitcoin with Newton? Once you've verified your identity, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Here's how to do it. Log into your Newton account. Click on the Buy button. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Select your payment method. Click on the Confirm button. Your Bitcoin will be credited to your account shortly. Buying Bitcoin with Newton is a simple and secure process. If you're looking to get started with Bitcoin, Newton is a great option. I hope this video has helped you understand when you can buy Bitcoin with Newton. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.